The etymology of criminal. It all starts with Latin crimen, from the stem crimen, meaning accusation, charge, or crime. Then comes late Latin criminalis, meaning pertaining to crime. In Old French, it becomes criminal, a criminal or culprit. Moving to English, we get crime from crimen, and criminal as both an adjective and a noun. By late Middle English, the word criminal settles into its modern meaning, a person guilty of a crime. So from accusation to guilt, the word itself tells the story of crime through time. What does the word criminal mean? The word criminal refers to a person guilty of a crime, someone who has committed an act that violates established laws. It functions both as a noun and an adjective, describing not only individuals but also actions, intentions, or systems linked to wrongdoing. However, the meaning of criminal goes beyond legal definition. It reflects a moral judgment that society places upon certain behaviors, shaping how justice, guilt, and punishment are understood. From Latin accusations to English law. The term criminal finds its earliest roots in the Latin crimen, derived from the stem crimen, meaning accusation, charge, or crime. It evolved into the late Latin criminalis, meaning pertaining to crime, and then transitioned into Old French as criminal, referring to both criminal and culprit. When it entered the English language in the late Middle English period, it carried dual use, as a noun for a lawbreaker and as an adjective describing anything relating to crime. This linguistic journey reflects the evolution of law itself, from moral accusations in ancient societies to formalized systems of justice in modern governance. The evolution of meaning over time. In early societies, the idea of a criminal was deeply intertwined with religion and morality. Wrongdoing was seen as sin against divine order rather than against legal codes. As civil law developed, particularly under Roman influence, crimen became a formal accusation judged within a legal framework. By the time the term reached English courts, its usage had expanded to encompass both moral and legal violations. This historical shift shows how language mirrors social structures. As justice became institutionalized, so did the vocabulary surrounding it. The power of language in justice. The etymology of criminal reveals not just the history of a word, but the transformation of human thinking about guilt, responsibility, and morality. In modern criminology and psychology, the term carries weight far beyond its dictionary definition. It shapes identity, stigma, and even legal outcomes. Understanding where criminal comes from reminds us that language is not neutral. It evolves with the culture, justice systems, and moral codes that define what it means to do wrong, and to be judged for it.